welcome to my summer lookbook for 2025. And I actually made this video because I'm going on a trip very soon, actually tomorrow, and I was trying to figure out what to pack. So here we are. First outfit, I decided to do a skirt under a short dress with some black loafers and my travel bag, of course, and then a couple necklaces as the accessory. I really like layering something under these kinds of short dresses. I feel like it gives it a lot more dimension and helps with the shape as well, since I really like the silhouette of a long skirt or a maxi dress. I also just love the print of this dress, and the color as well is super cute. When I thrifted this dress, I still wasn't sure if it was giving too much grandma core or if I actually liked it, but I think it's a really cute summer dress. This next outfit is a variation of the first one, except I decided to layer these jeans under instead of the skirt. And I also put on this pink hair scarf. I never really wore bandanas before, but I've seen them all over my Pinterest board, and I think they are a super cute accessory for any outfit. And I like that it can add a pop of color to the outfit. Of course, I had to add my bag that I'm bringing just to make sure everything goes together. These are one of my favorite pair of pants that I have. I don't know if you can tell since it's kind of cut off at the bottom, but they actually look like they're upside down pants at the bottom. And this next outfit is using that same outfit formula of a dress with jeans and the same hair scarf. And to match the pink bandana, I decided to go for this pink dress, and I absolutely love the gingham pattern on it. I think it's so cute and dainty. I think the pink and blue color combo is so perfect for summer. It just reminds me of like candy, bubblegum, and everything. Gotta show off the shoes again. These pants are super baggy, which I think is perfect for the dress pants combo, because I just love the way the fabric folds and how the texture looks, and it makes a more interesting outfit. I also love that this dress is backless. I think it looks really nice from the back, especially when it's really hot out. The only thing I don't like about this dress is how many straps there are to hold it up, but I think it's worth it for the final look. For this look, we're keeping that same gingham dress, and I added a white button-up shirt over the top of it to add some layering. And since I felt like I had a lot of leg out with this outfit, I decided to go for these boots. I think it looks really nice together. I love how versatile a simple white collared shirt can be as a layering piece. And I added these two super cute little clips onto the bandana. It's a great way to secure the bandana, make sure it doesn't fall off, and it also looks super cute. This outfit is very simple, casual, super comfortable, just a flowy white baby doll dress with a bunch of stacked necklaces together. This is such a simple outfit, but I think it's super cute for the summer. And if it gets cold at night, you can always add a jacket on top. I just added this black leather jacket to kind of match the leather boots. I like the way that the edginess of the jacket juxtaposes with the dress. I could see myself definitely wearing this in the city, walking around, or going shopping, or thrifting. Here's a little close-up of the details of the outfit and the layered necklaces. This next outfit is a variation of the previous one, but just swapping out the boots for some flared dark wash denim jeans instead. And I decided to go for my same loafers as before, since, as I said before, this is kind of a lookbook for my summer trip, so I won't really have a ton of shoe options, I was thinking about bringing 4 different pairs of shoes, which actually might be a little crazy. So I think I'm gonna stick to maybe 2 pairs of shoes. Anyways, onto a little more casual outfit. We have this super cute layered t-shirt, tank top, gray t-shirt, and it's made of this kind of like wool material, but it's actually really soft and comfortable. And I paired this with the same dark wash flare denim pants and just a couple little silver necklaces as the jewelry, and I decided to put my hair up since I feel like there's already a lot going on near the neck. And I think this outfit goes great paired with a leather jacket, especially during the nights, and it kind of gives it more of a city chic look. Whenever I wear a leather jacket, I immediately just feel like Ren from Nana. But it's kind of a vibe, so I like it. I honestly don't wear my leather jacket that much when I'm going out, but I think it makes any outfit look a little bit classier. For this next outfit, I swapped the top out for this white baby doll top, and this is one of my favorite tops. I just think it looks so cute. I love the little ruffle detail at the bottom as well as the tie detail on the top and the really thin spaghetti straps as well. I think it's such a cute summer staple outfit. And I decided to put my hair in a half up, half down style for this one, and my bangs were not cooperating today, so I was kind of messing with them. But anyways, here is the look. The back of this top is super pretty too. It has these really adorable little buttons as a closure on the back. And unfortunately, one of the buttons is actually broken, and I do need to mend that because I was using a safety pin before, but it started rusting and discoloring the shirt. And then as a layering piece for this outfit, I threw on this gray button-up cardigan for a super cute layered look, especially when it gets a little bit colder at nights. As another variation of that outfit, we swapped out the jeans for a black mini skirt, and we brought back these knee-high boots. I think this outfit is super cute. It's super basic, but I really love this combination. I definitely think that adding a couple accessories and doing something with your hair can really elevate this outfit. And of course I can always put on the cardigan if it gets a little cold. And it just looks really cute with this top as well. This is the last outfit. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize that was the last one, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know which outfit was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one.